pity. You sound like one of those masterpieces. It's celebrity Love Island. If she was, I would be complaining. I checked you on your store, only. Look, we're doing everything. You will know like we were home. Any woman can have to walk out with it. I just want to say, don't worry, now. Don't break my heart. You can tell the world I never was a girl. You can walk my girl when I'm gone. You can tell your friends just walk through that way and laugh at girls like they on the phone. You can tell my heart goes back to the bone. You can tell my feet hit the floor. You can tell my lips, but my fingertips will be reaching out to you for sure. Don't break my heart, I hate you breaking heart. But maybe I won't understand. Because if you break my heart, if you break your heart, maybe I won't ever get you. I wish that I might find off the floor. If you talk about it, and maybe you think I might be looking, and I never keep talking. I want your object, and then it's just a fact. Sure, baby, you won't have to me. So when you come along, and make you sing a song, and then we'll try to get on free. Don't break my heart, I hurt you breaking heart. Hey, I'm no fair. But if you